Good afternoon, guys. So this is going to be my first video on the MS Access database. As I received a lot of emails from you, and you wanted to know actually, good things about MS Access database. I just thought of uploading this video because I came across this very tricky situation, and I found it so wonderful that I thought, why not, if I have to upload the videos, then let's upload this video as a first video, right? Situation is this: you have this table. For those who just do not have any idea about the MS Access database, let me tell you, this is more of a database thing, and like Excel is a very good tool in terms of analysis, in terms of doing the if you want to generate some report, and if you want to do some analysis by making pivot charts, Excel is a very good tool. But when it comes to huge data, when you actually want to store data, possibly maybe 1 GB or 2 GB, then Excel actually fails there. So there comes this Microsoft and another invention which is called the MS Access database. So you can query, just like we use the formulas in Excel, you can use a lot of queries in the MS Access database. And we actually, this is called the table which I have stored here. I'll just show you in a moment what exactly I mean by the query. So that's the table. I have some IDs and the first name, so what I want to do is we want to develop a formula, or in terms of MS Access we want to develop a query which can actually give us the results. Like suppose if I want to find how many names, first names are there which has alphabet A, then I can check it out, and how many alphabets are there which has L or maybe character E, S, and so on, right? So that's my database. Let me just close this and go to the create and go to the query design, and here just add this data, the table name, and click on this, and this will be here. You can view the result, so it will give you all the table content. Likewise, have you this data in this data table. So again, use this option, design view. And now what you need to do is, since I was talking about that requirement that a user is supposed to be prompted, on what exactly he wants to search, and he can write that text there, and the query can give you the results accordingly. So in this criteria where you have this, you need to set up the parameter query. So how you gonna set up the parameter query? You'll use the like function, and let me first show you that. Enter character. Okay, so if I write this in the square brackets and if I run this query, you'll see that it is going to ask me, it is going to give me the prompt, right? So if I say F, okay, and press OK, then this is not going to give me any results so far, because of the fact that in my main table I don't have any name which actually has only F, right? So but I'm looking for this kind of a adjustment, or this kind of a query which if I write F, then it should give me the results which contain character F, right? So what you can do is we can use the like operator. So we'll say that like, and then with the quotes we'll write star, and then we'll concatenate this. Let me just change, increase the width, and similarly again we'll use this star, and I think that's it, right? So okay, let me remove this one star from here. Okay, you can even right click on it and you can zoom this in case if you're not able to work comfortably on that grid. So let me just remove this, and let me put this like this and like this, and so this and this. I think we are good to go now. I'll just press OK, and now let's run this query and let's check out whether it's gonna work or not. So I'm gonna press A or maybe S. So you can see that these two alphabets, these two first names have got the S, Salish, and in Yasmin it's again YAS. So that's how, and you can check your data. Alan has no S, Donna has no S, Ajay has no S, and similarly Kalpana, Mona, they don't have S. So I can even give you one. We can run this again just to confirm that this query actually works very fine. So I'm just going to run this, and now I'll press Y, and let's see if we'll get the result or not. So Ajay has Y, and Y has, Yasmin has this first alphabet is Y. So that's how this is the parameter query. We call this a parameter query, and generally people use like this, in order to ensure that if somebody is using MS Access database, then he basically doesn't have to, you don't actually want to give him kind of environment wherein he can play around with these queries. He can do some manipulation over here. So in order to make it very easy, you just create these queries so that when somebody is going to run this MS Access, he's not comfortable with the Access database, or maybe if somebody is comfortable, even then to this looks very nice. Actually, you really don't have to do any manipulations in the query. You just click here and press whatever the text you want. If I say S, then it's gonna give me the results again, those results which has actually text S, right? So I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll come up again with some more videos. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I see that day by day people are actually getting subscribe to my channel. And one more thing before I just wrap up this video, when you watch my YouTube videos, in case if you're looking for particular videos for Excel, or maybe it's called the VBA, or maybe it's called the pivot, just go to click on my name Ajay over there, and you'll see on the left side you'll see this kind of a icon playlist. So click on that playlist and you'll see all the videos together, 47 videos, 20 videos, and I have grouped those videos for you, so that you can just need to click on the one link and you can actually play all the videos one by one, right? So that's my email ID. Don't forget to discuss your issues with me, and you can even call me, and I share my numbers on the email as well. So that's my email ID. So just let me know in case if you have any issues, and I will go ahead and upload the video on the same, right? So thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.